Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I am from the beautiful island, the Philippines. Ah, I am so happy to meet you. All right, Jennifer love talking, laughing, and playing games together. All right, and we will gonna learn new things together, right? We will have a fun while learning English. Okay. I love hmm, asking fun questions, listening to your stories, and sharing for you when you do your best. Okay. Jennifer will help you learn and grow. We will gonna enjoy singing and drawing and reading. All right. And we will gonna play games and doing origami together. Yay! So if you like smiling, talking, and having fun while learning, so come and let's play with Jennifer. All right, so I can wait to meet you and play together. Yay! All right, so bye bye. Mwah. See you soon.